Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this satisfy the equation problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given an array of n integers and we have to find the index of such four values so that a plus b is equal to c plus d. What it means, we have to select four index. Okay, suppose this is index 0, I mean first index, second index, third index, fourth index. Index can be anything, like if I give you example 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Then here you have to find out four numbers so that 2 index sum is equal to sum of 2 index. So you will choose this, you will choose this, you will choose this, you will choose this. Okay guys. And the second choice, okay. So first of all this. Okay guys, so here what is index? 1 2 3 4 5. So we will gonna to choose 1 3 4 and 5. It means 1 and 3, 1 and 3 will represent the index 1 will represent a, this will represent index b, this index represent number b, this c, this index will represent d. Okay guys, but we have to find out the lexicographically smallest. Here it is suppose there are many number or many four pairs of index that are going to satisfy a plus b is equal to c plus d. So here one more pair we have, what is this? So give a look to it. Suppose if we select 0 and 1 2, now the order of pair here is 1 3 4 5. Okay, we can give because all the 1 3 4 5 index value are same, so we can give order like 5 4 3 1 1 4 5 3 in any order, because the sum will remain same because all values are same, but the minimum lexicographically order will be I and just I j, I mean the index should be lexicographically smallest order. Okay, this is the, from these if we select 1 3 4 5, then this is the lexicographically smallest order which we can have. Okay guys, so and the next order possible is we will select 2 and 1, means index 0 and 1, then we'll select index 2 and 3. Then here we can see 2 plus 1 3, sum is 3, 2 plus 1 3, sum is 3, and the lexicographically smallest order will look like 0 1 2 3. So if we compare this with this, then we can see 0 1 2 3 will give our answer. This will be our answer because this is the lexicographically smallest. Okay, so we does not care about what is a b c or d particularly. We don't care about what is the summation, we don't care about anything, but what we care about, the four index lexicographically should be smallest. Okay, so how we will gonna to do it? So this is n square solution, n square log n you can say, or okay, I will tell time complexity. I will take a map of int, like what I will do, I will take a map where id of map, where key is the sum of two values, sum of a and b. We are selecting, we already select a and b. Okay, or you can see we already select c and d. Okay, and then now we will store all the pairs. Like suppose here there are many pair, then we will take a sum 2 and select all the pair which adding give us sum 2, like 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Second pair can be 1 and 4, 1 and 4. The other pair 1 and 5, 1 and 5. This 2 means 2 sum will be given by 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 indexes. Similarly 3 4, 3 5, 4 5. Okay, and now for 3, like sum is equal to 3, 0 1, 0 3, 0 4, 0 5, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. These all are the indexes, pair of indexes. If we sum them, it will give us this sum. Okay guys, now in 2 I have these all pair. Okay, now we are at pair 1 and 3. Suppose for a case we are at pair 1 and 3, then we will look, yes, we have some pair, so we will traverse all the pair. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, just take this as an example. 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 3 4, 3 4, then 3 5, then 4 5. Okay, I am gonna to telling you this simple example now guys. Okay, so if we are traversing, suppose we are at 1 and 3, and it will 1 and 3, we are currently at index 1 and 3. This is our C plus D. Suppose this is our A plus B. So we are in index 1 and 3. Sum will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we will traverse all the indexes that will gives me sum 2. We will check 1 and 3. But can we take 1 and 3? No, because we already taken 1 and 3 in my index. Now can I take 1 and 4? No, because 4 and 3 are different, but there is one common index. 1 and 5? No, one common index. 3 and 4? No, 3 is common index. 3 and 5? No, 3 common index. So 1, 3, 4, 5. I can take 4, 5. Yes, I can easily. So if sum is equal to 2, then my index should be 1, 3, 4, 5. And I don't care about ordering now. Why? Because this is the most this is the most beginner. Like, I am not gonna to check 4 and 5. I am gonna to check the the minimum lexicographically smallest index, because I am starting from I is equal to 0 and j is equal to I plus 1. So I will always be the minimum, and if I is the minimum, then it is the lexicographically smallest pair of 4 indexes. Okay guys, because I am starting I from 0. So if I found an index at 0, then I am not going to traverse at 1. Okay, so this is my smallest possible lexicographically smallest possible pair. Okay, I hope you all understand. If not, then just try run. This is just the only concept. If you don't, if you find it, then this will become very simple. As well, you can see in comment, people write a sub code, they write a more complex code that is not required. Because if once we found a pair like 1 3 4 5, 4 different indexes that will satisfy my this condition, that 2 is equal to 2, means sum of both indexes equal, then I know the lexicographically smallest order pair is this, because I am gonna to starting from the left side, and left side I is the minimum. So for a minimum I will put out is I in my frontier like 1. So this will be my answer. Now guys, and but here, can this be my answer? No, because when we are at 0 and my j is 1, so 0 plus 1, my index is 0 and 1. My sum will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. This is my sum. So I will go now to traverse all the pairs with size 3. What is uh, okay, okay, so just a minute guys. Okay, so these are all the pairs which will gives me sum is equal to 3. This is 2, sorry, index 0 and 1, index 0 and 3, index 0 and 4, index 0 and 5, index 0 1 2 and index 2 and 1. Index 2 and 1 will also gonna to give me sum is equal to 3. Index 2 and 3, 2 and 3, index 2 and 4, index 2 and 5. So these all are the index. Now I am at 0 and 1. I will traverse 0 1. I cannot take because index common. 0 3, 0 index common. Not take, cannot take, cannot take. 1 is common. 2 3. Yes, I can take 0 1, and then second possible index is 2 and 3. So this is the lexicographically smallest index 0 1 2 3, and this is our answer as well. Okay guys, so how simple this became. You just need to find out a pair of index that does not have any intersect, that does not have any common index, and you can just simply return answer. So for all the pair of index I is equal to 0 to I plus 1, I will push back ai plus aj is my sum dot push back I comma j. Why I comma j? Because I know I is the minimum, I is something, j is always greater than my I. So I will gonna to push back I comma j, so that my answer will remain lexicographically as smaller as possible. Okay guys, now my map contain all the sums value with the possible pair. Then I am again traversing it. Then for all the possible pair of my current sum of pair of index, if my I is not is equal to first index or second index, my j is as well not is equal to first and second index, means my I and j are not common index with my k. Okay, k is my current pair of index, means I and j is separate pair and k is my separate pair. So I can return I is the minimum because I am starting from 0, so I will always be minimum. I comma j, then k dot first and k dot second, and as I am storing them in it's showing them in lexicographically smaller order as well. So I will just return ij k dot first k dot second. K dot first is my first index, k dot second is my second index. And else if I completed the loop and I don't find any for such integers or possible pairing of index, then I will just return 4 times minus 1. This is just a mathematical concept problem. If you know about this, then this will become a cakewalk. Elsewise, you just have to write a complex code. Okay guys, so you can see all the 112 test cases pass out. I hope you will understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then first of all do dry run. That's the most important part. And if you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.